So today with my 2000 Jeep TJ, I will be making a little table for my back door here. So all I did was cut out a template using an old pizza box, but any cardboard should work. And from there, we are just going to be cutting this 1/4 inch plywood with the template after we trace it. And I'll get back to you once that's finished. So with my template here, I cut 2 inches too short and 1 inch too short here. So all I did was make extra measurements for my piece of wood. And lines up pretty tight, which is awesome, on all sides, top and bottom. So now we will attach the piano hinges with 3M tape, double-sided, and get that done. So these are the little back pieces that I had to add on. They look really much like garbage, but I'll end up staining it and throwing stuff on the back to clean it up a little. And from here, we'll put on the Jeep. So basically all you'll need for this project is your wood, which is already cut. Whatever size screws you would like. I opted for 2 different sizes, some crazy glue, your double-sided tape, your piano hinges, and a magnet so that you can stick in a corner to keep it shut to your tailgate. So from here, once you get your double-sided tape on, you're gonna get your magnet and find a spot where you like it. Seeing that's gonna be at the bottom, I'm gonna have the magnet right up top here. This is just a protective cover to not scratch anything that it came with. Who knows what I'm gonna do with that. So you're just gonna get your glue. A whole bunch of that stuff on there. And planning, you already figured out where you want your magnets. Just stick it down and let it dry. So now that we have it all up, there's your finished product. The only thing you'll have to do is drill a small hole, feed some paracord through. I loosened off my latch, one of the bolts. It's a T30, and just tied it around there and tighten it back. And reason for using paracord is that when you're driving, it's not going to be rattling. The rattling is a loose bolt in my hinge that you hear. So other than that, it's complete. One other small thing I did was put the table on a bit of an angle, so that way when there's pots or whatever you want on it, it's just gonna even it out for you. So there you go, hope you enjoyed, and